Hello and welcome to Summer School. My name is Mandy Sommers, your host here at Summer School. Summer School is where we create small lessons that help to create huge momentum in your business. And we're so excited that you landed on our channel. I want you to go ahead and drop a comment below and tell me about your business. I want you to put a link to your Instagram, your Facebook, your TikTok, your anywhere that you're promoting your business, even your website, so we can go cheer you on. Here at Summer School, my goal, my mission is to help you release some of the overwhelm. I know that we can get super overwhelmed by all the tech and the tools, and I want you to feel calm and clarity. And that's why I create short lessons that you can implement on a daily basis right then, get it going, get it processing in your business, and then move on to the next. I'm a firm believer we do not need 47 apps and 27 different logins to run our business. We need to keep it simple. We need to keep it clear. And we need to make sure that we're relying on these systems so that we can show up as creators, as people who care, and we can truly give our best self to our customers instead of feeling like we're like scattered all over the map and we're showing up randomly here and there. We don't know how to follow up, or we aren't able to because we have post-it notes all over. No, that's not what we want. We want a system. And I want to teach you this system in small bite-sized lessons that actually help to move the needle. These lessons, like I said, are easy, they're quick to watch, they're quick to implement, and hopefully by the end of them, you will feel good about using the whatever tool it is that you've got. Because progress doesn't come from doing everything. And a lot of times as entrepreneurs and small business owners and network marketers and course creators, we have that job to do everything, all the different things. But one simple software can change everything for you. Instead of having 47 different softwares like I used to have 8 years ago, before I ever made seven figures, I was so overwhelmed with managing Thinkific and Active Campaign and ClickFunnels, and like the list went on and on. Google Forms. I had all these things that were helping my business, but I was so overwhelmed because I was trying to make sure that everything connected. And when somebody would book an appointment with Acuity Scheduling, it wouldn't show up in my email system. And back then, I was so frustrated. I knew that I had a powerful message. I knew that I had amazing products. I just didn't know how to put them all together so that I had the bandwidth to show up and share as a true creator. Instead, I was like spread thin. So that is why Summer School is here. At Summer School, I teach you how to organize and monetize your business using smart and supportive tech without feeling overwhelmed. So, you're going to find that there's a ton of go high level tutorials that break things down step by step for you. Clear explanations of automations and funnels and systems, reviews of tech tools and platforms so you don't have to waste your time or money reviewing them or trying them out, and walkthroughs of programs and softwares and systems that actually will help support your growth. I don't just show you how something works. I want to show you how to use it and when to use it and how to fit it into your business life. So, hopefully, this will bring calm, clear guidance for you. So, I don't teach how to make you feel behind. I want to teach tech in a way that gives you peace of mind. So, the first thing that you have to learn when you're here in summer school is that all good things take time. All good things. If you're getting an education, if you're building a strong relationship, if you're reading a book, it all takes time. You can't just like start on page one and know a minute later what happens at the end. And so when you show up knowing that you can just step by step make that needle move in your business, you're going to have that clear confidence that we're looking for. I want you to show up and feel like you can really implement the things that are on your heart and that you have a system that will support you in that process. So I'm so excited you're here. Please share in the comments. Tell me a little bit about your business. Tell me if you're looking to build funnels or you need an email system or if you are wanting to monetize. Along with the tech, I'm going to teach you how to monetize on all these different platforms. I've monetized on YouTube and Instagram and Facebook and TikTok. And I'm so excited to share that with you. This is about helping you create your dream life, giving you more time with your family, more flexibility, more freedom to choose how you spend your days. I'm really hoping that you have more confidence in yourself as a builder and a creator and a leader, because success isn't about just that, the revenue. It's about alignment. And my hope is that you don't burn out as you get there. So, welcome to summer school. So excited you're here. Comment below, hit that subscribe button so you can be notified every single time I upload a brand new video. And here's to cheering you on in your business. We'll see you in our next video.